What's going on? Today we are out here in Princeton, Texas, servicing a Honda Pilot. Needs to get the alternator replaced. First thing you do with any alternator is remove the negative battery cable. In this case, we're going to remove both of them and clean them real well. To replace the alternator on this, release the tension from the tensioner. That's 19 millimeters right there. May possibly have to remove this reservoir right here to the right. May possibly have to move this fan out the way to get more room. This engine cover, of course. Let's get to it. Alright, that tensioner is actually going to be a 14 millimeter on the top idler pulley. Just move it forward like that. Top bolt from the alternator is a 12 millimeter. That goes on the bracket. 14 for the bottom. Alright, once you get the upper 12 millimeter bolt and the 14 off, along with that bracket that's held on by 2 12s, it should just pull. Probably best to come through that way right there. Definitely tell you why this alternator failed too. So much oil on it, shorted it out. All right. Topped off all the fluids. It needed a little bit of coolant, decent amount of power steering fluid because it has a leak on the high pressure line, possibly with the rack and pinion also. Transmission fluid looks good, oil was good, looked like it was recently changed. Cleaned those battery terminals. Car's probably just been sitting for a minute, that's why the rollers are oxidating. But brakes look to be about 50%. And on the rear, they are needing to be changed. All right, now we on to the next one. Got this one finished ahead of schedule.